Welcome to River Glen Dental Group. We are a general dental practice. I'm Dr. John Volk.
And I'm Dr. Lee Hayes. We've been in Worthington area for about 30 years and have recently moved our practice to the bottom of Worthington Hills. Thank you for watching.
Snoring is a very bothersome habit. It seems to bother the family and spouse of the affected person quite a bit. And we can create an oral appliance to help prevent snoring. Sleep apnea is a very serious medical condition. It should be diagnosed by your physician through a sleep study, and the most likely treatment for that would be to wear a CPAP machine. However, some people cannot tolerate the CPAP machines, and if not, we can also make an oral appliance that can help prevent obstructive sleep apnea as well. We'd be happy to discuss these conditions with you at River Glen Dental Group.
John and I would like to thank you for viewing our video.
We hope you found the information valuable. For more information, please visit our website.